Hi guys, John here with Sandblastingmachines.com with another item off the shelf. Today I want to talk to you about the Clemco CPF replacement air filter cartridge. The CPF replacement air filter cartridge can be used in both the Clemco CPF 20 and CPF 80 air filters. Clemco recommends changing out this air filter every 3 months, or if the operator notices any detectable odors, moisture begins pushing through the filter, or if the minimal pressure requirements are not being met at the respirator. The Clemco CPF replacement air filter cartridge can be found on sandblastingmachines.com simply by searching for part number 03547 in the search bar. As always, I'm John, and thanks for watching.